Yellow Pages Spider is the easiest, 100% risk-free and fully automated software. Just follow the 3 simple steps and let the software do all the hard work for you. Download trial version and try it free with all the main features. Just see how easy it is to use our software and start collecting business information. All you have to do is to enter a category and location in the search bar and then just click search. And when you see the first page of searched items, you can click Get Data button and wait for wonders to happen for you. Yes, when I say wonders, it means that you will not get data in a row form. You will get data in a well-organized manner that you can easily review and can import to MS Excel or your MySQL database.